Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Well, here we are on a Tuesday, and we're going to start off with, I think, just an incredible morning sunrise shot from Jennifer Acker Woods. You can see the sun there. We're over in Wyoming. I believe this is Buffalo Bill Reservoir. Just a beautiful shot there. Now, here is the sunset as seen by Lynn Richardson. This was taken over there by west of Powell. Sun was just about to set, but it looked kind of blustery out there, right? I'll take a look at this. This is a current picture from our iCam. And does that look a little hazy to you out there? Well, that's because it's snowing out there right now. We have 5 degrees below zero. Wind chill factor feels like 5 because the wind is about out of the east at about 3 miles per hour. Really not much of an issue, but it's still cold at 5 below zero no matter how you look at it. Now, as you see here, our high temperature today was 0. The low has been 6 below zero. Your normal high 36, the record 60 back in 1995. The record low was 21 below zero back in 1972. So yeah, it can get cold like that this time of year. Fortunately, it didn't happen today, but 5 below is cold enough. As you'll notice, so far 1/100th of an inch of precipitation fell this afternoon in the Billings area, about a quarter inch of snow out of it, and that's about it. And it's starting to snow now, so we're still adding to that total. So here's what we are for the month, 1,300, and that's where we sit for the year. We're a little bit behind normal, but still not too bad. And around the rest of the state, these are our current temperatures. East of the divide, look at that, everybody below zero. I mean, it's just cold. Over here towards Bozeman and places like Helena, Southwest, and Missoula right now, all these guys are sitting above the layer of Arctic air. It's only about 1,200 feet, 1,500 feet thick, so these guys are sitting above that. So it actually stayed a little warmer today. Kalispell, a little cooler there at 0. You see 22 at Missoula right now, 14 at Dillon. And as you'll see, our wind chill factors in the wind chill, not much of an issue for Billings right now, 5 below, but up across the highline, look at that. The wind is howling like a big dog up there at Havre. 39 below zero, feels like 31 below zero over Cupbank, 29 below zero, which feels like over in Glasgow. So the cold Arctic air continues to linger across the highline tonight. And these are reported highs today. Just about everybody here got into the sub-zero range or stayed in the sub-zero for highs. Billings did manage to get up to 0. In the southwest, they actually got above 0 today, 31 over Missoula today for the hot spot. Now, you'll notice here on our threat board, we still have a number of winter weather advisories, especially in the Flathead Valley, looking for maybe 2 to 5 inches of snow till tomorrow morning. Rocky Mountain front, about 2 to 4 inches of snow. Back here towards Missoula, more like 1 to 2 inches of snow. Plus, look at this. This is over by Great Falls. It's so cold, we're getting ice jams on the Missouri River, and so one's formed over there by Riverside Park, and it's causing some flooding there. And look at all this. We have wind chill advisories all across the highline, 40 below zero here. Up here towards the northeast, now we're talking 50 below zero wind chill factors. That's a wind chill warning. 40 below zero towards the south. And in Miles City, it feels more like 20 to 30 below zero. They're the hot spot, huh? How you figure that out. Meanwhile, you'll notice got some light snow moving through Billings right now. Same thing on the west over by Missoula and Great Falls. Snow ahead of Glasgow. That continues to move out of the area heading up towards Canada. The big story here is this big little loop here. This is what the upper level jet stream is. This is our upper level trough, and that cold air continues to push on down here. But it stops right there at the Billings area because we have low pressure cell there, and the circulation around low is counterclockwise. So it's taking on the warm air, it's pushing it back up into Montana, taking the coldest air, pushing it back up in towards the northern part of the state and parts of southern Canada. Warm air starts moving around this high pressure cell probably sometime tomorrow. It starts escorting the coldest Arctic air away from us and in towards the rest of the high plains, and that's what we see through Thursday with some sunny skies starting to move in. As far as snowfall amounts, not much moving in, but just light stuff for the Billings area, maybe 2 to 4 over Missoula. Tonight you see our temperatures way below zero across most of the region. Then tomorrow back up into the teens above zero, maybe even 30 over at Livingston. Billings tonight 8 below with a 30% chance for snow showers. Next 7 days, 17 on Wednesday, 20s on Thursday and Friday, 30s on Saturday, right on through into Tuesday, 44 degrees that day. Let's go back to Russ.